Ever tried to open a massive text file or a huge log in standard Windows Notepad, only to have your computer freeze up? Standard Notepad isn't built for heavy lifting. It loads the entire file into your RAM at once, which usually leads to a crash. The fix is simple. Use Notepad++. It's a free, lightweight source code editor that handles large files much more efficiently because of how it manages memory. If you don't have it yet, head over to notepad++.org and grab the latest version. It takes seconds to install and stays out of your way until you need it. Once installed, don't just double-click your file. Instead, right-click the large text file and select Edit with Notepad++. Now, if you are dealing with truly monster files, we're talking several gigabytes, Notepad++ might eventually hit its limit too. In those cases, you can also use professional tools like Visual Studio Code or specialized large file viewers like Editor or LogExpert, which are built specifically to handle massive datasets without using any RAM.